While AI has the power to revolutionize industries, improve scientific research, and enhance our daily lives, it also presents some unique challenges and threats. One of the biggest concerns is the possibility of AI systems becoming uncontrollable or making decisions that harm humanity. AI algorithms can learn and adapt at a much faster rate than humans, which means that they can make decisions we may not have foreseen. Additionally, AI does not have a moral compass, which means that machines could make decisions that are ethically questionable or violate human values. Another risk is the possibility of hacking and cyberattacks on AI systems. If hackers were able to gain control of an AI system, they could cause significant damage and chaos. For example, a hacker might take over an autonomous vehicle and cause it to crash, potentially leading to loss of life. There is also the concern about job displacement as AI technology continues to evolve. As AI becomes more advanced, it will be able to replace human workers in many fields, potentially leading to high unemployment rates and economic inequality. Lastly, there is the issue of data privacy and the collection of personal information. As AI systems collect vast amounts of data about individuals, there is the possibility that this information could be misused or exploited for nefarious purposes. In conclusion, while AI technology has the potential to transform society and lead to many benefits, it is critical that we remain aware of the potential dangers and challenges that come with it. As we continue to develop advanced systems, it is essential that we prioritize safety, security, and ethical considerations to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and for the betterment of humanity.